Have you ever wondered why a pizza that has a radius z and thickness a is also known as pizza? Pause for a moment, let that sink in. It might seem like a riddle, but it's not. This is actually a fun and clever way to introduce the mathematical concept of volume. The formula for the volume of a cylinder is pi times the radius squared times the height. So when you apply this to a pizza, where is the radius and a is the height or thickness, you get pizza. Now, isn't that a delicious piece of mathematical trivia? Moving on, here's another fascinating fact. The number 0 does not have its own Roman numeral. In ancient Roman times, the concept of 0 as a number did not exist. It was only around the 5th century AD that the idea of 0 started to take shape in India. From there, it spread to the Middle East and eventually to Europe. This mathematical concept transformed the way we understand numbers and the world around us. Ever heard of a number called Graham's number? It's so big that it can't be expressed in conventional notation. Instead, mathematicians use something called Knuth's up arrow notation to represent it. Named after mathematician Ronald Graham, it came up as a solution to a problem in the field of Ramsey theory. This number is so large that it's way beyond the total number of particles in the observable universe. Here's another intriguing fact about the number pi. Most of us know pi as 3.14. But did you know that the number pi is an irrational number, meaning it cannot be expressed as a simple fraction and it has an infinite number of decimals without any pattern? In fact, in 2006, a Japanese mathematician and a computer scientist set a world record by calculating pi to over 1 million decimal places. Last but not least, did you know that there's a mathematical theorem named the hairy ball theorem? Don't let the name fool you, it's a serious piece of mathematics. The theorem states that there's no way to comb the hair on a coconut in such a way that the hair lies flat everywhere. This theorem is used in computer graphics and differential topology. To summarize, we've learned that a pizza can teach us about volume. The Romans had no numeral for 0. Graham's number is unimaginably large. Pi has an infinite number of decimal places, and the hairy ball theorem is a real thing in mathematics. Remember, mathematics isn't just about numbers and equations, it's also about understanding the world around us and sometimes having a little fun along the way. So, next time you see a pizza, remember the formula for volume. And the next time someone says they're feeling 0, remind them that the Romans would have no idea what they're talking about. Now go forth and spread the mathematical joy.